Dippy birds are a really great full body conditioning exercise for the front and back of our hips to get us super duper warmed up for things like front splits, as well as train our active flexibility for bunches of different muscle groups in our legs. For this exercise, I suggest practicing near a wall or near a chair, something you can have your hand on for balance if you haven't done it before. And as you get more comfortable, you can take your hands off of the balance support. I'll be showing it with my hand on the wall. I'm going to start with my hand out to the side. My working leg is going to be my right leg. I'm going to kick that leg forwards, lifting it as high as I can with that leg nice and straight, toes pointed. So this is going to feel like a squeeze through our quads and our hip flexors, the front of our hips. As I drop that leg to the floor, I'm going to flex my foot so my foot doesn't touch the ground. Then I'm going to start to kick that leg backwards. As that heel goes backwards in space, I'm going to connect my right leg to my torso, keeping a straight line from my right shoulder to my hips to my heel. I'm going to start forward folding as I kick that leg up towards the ceiling. If you've got tighter hamstrings, you can bend your knee here, but we do want to be feeling a hamstring stretch in the back of that left thigh. And then we're going to slowly float back on up to that starting position, alternating lifting that leg in front. And as we kick that leg behind us, we're forward folding. So your goal might be coming to this kind of upside down or uppercase letter T position, kicking that heel up, dropping our torso so it's around parallel to the floor, maybe with a bit of a bent knee. If you've got a bit more hamstring flexibility, maybe you're reaching your hands down to yoga blocks, lifting that leg a little higher. If you're on the much more flexy end of the spectrum, you can bring your hands to the floor, kick that heel as high as you can. Make sure both hip bones are pointing down and we're not opening our hips out towards this side, especially for that right leg hip. Then trying to float back up with control as much as you can. I like doing these in sets of 5. A bit of a complex exercise, but if it's feeling really good, you could do any number between 5 to 10.
If you liked this video and you're looking for more free flexibility training advice, there's a lot more where that came from on my website, where I regularly post blog posts with stretching tips, as well as detailed stretch breakdowns like this video. You can check it out at DannyWinksFlexibility.com.